In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and test a new scenario in make.com. To get started, open make.com in your Chrome browser and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard, which is where you can manage automations, build workflows, and connect different apps together. If you're new to make.com, don't worry. The interface is very visual, and once you understand the basic layout, it becomes much easier to use. From the dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the button labeled Create a New Scenario. This will open the Scenario Builder, which is the workspace where you design your automation. A scenario in make.com is essentially a workflow made up of connected modules, with each module representing an app or action. This builder is where you define how information moves from one app to another. Once the Scenario Builder opens, click the large plus circle in the center of the screen. This is how you add your first app module. After you click it, a list of available apps and services will appear. From here, select the app you want to use as the starting point of your workflow. In most cases, this first module acts as the trigger or source of data, so choose the app that begins the process you want to automate. After adding the first module, the next step is to link a second app module. To do that, click to add another module and choose the second app you want to connect. This is the app that will receive data or perform the next action in the scenario. Once both modules are in place, you'll need to map the fields. Field mapping is the process of telling make.com which pieces of information from the first module should be sent into the correct fields in the second module. Take your time here because accurate mapping is what makes the automation work properly. When the fields are mapped, click Run Once to test the scenario. This lets you check whether the data flows correctly between the two modules and whether the connection behaves the way you expect. If something doesn't work right away, review the mapping and make sure each field is connected correctly. Testing is an important part of building any automation because it helps you catch issues before turning the scenario on for real. And that's how to create a basic scenario in make.com, connect two app modules, and test the workflow successfully.